In this video, you will explore how to use the getValueByIndex keyword in Avo Assure to get the value of an item in the drop-down list as per its index number, and store the item value in an output variable when automating SAP processes. Add the first test step by selecting airline _ dropdown from the element name dropdown, and getValueByIndex from the descriptive keyword dropdown. Then, add the input value as 6, and the output value as result in curly brackets. Add another test step and select generic as the element name, and display variable value as the descriptive keyword. Once done, enter the input value as result in curly brackets, which is same as the output value in the first test step. Save the designed test steps and debug them. As the designed test steps debug, you will see that the value of the item in the drop-down list as per index value 6 is displayed in the Avo Assure Client window. This implies that the debug was successful. In this example, the value fetched is British Airways for the index number 6.